Good day guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video tutorial, I talked about how to use exponential smoothing in Excel, which saves a lot when working with Excel Hanover. Now in today's video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use flash fill in Excel. Alright, flash fill in Excel is used to automatically fill the data with the help of available cells pattern in such a way that if we combine two cells value in third cell, then we could be automatically combine the rest of the cell value using flash fill, which is available in the data menu tab under the data tool. Okay, and the shortcut key for flash fill in Excel is CTRL+E. Alright, in Excel we are aware of shortcut keys where we can use them for various functions, same like other function. Okay, Excel flash fill has a keyboard shortcut. The shortcut key for flash fill in Excel is CTRL+E. And for example, if you have two separate names, okay, in two different columns, first type both the names in the single column, and by holding CTRL+E, Excel will automatically fill all the names by the use of flash fill. Okay, now let's see how to add flash fill in Excel. The first step is that go to the file menu. You can see it right here. Just go to the file menu, okay, and go to the option. You can see it right down here. Okay, once you click on it, okay, once you click on the option, we will get the dialog box, okay, right here pop up in Excel, which you can see the has advanced option right here. Okay, click on the advanced option so that we will get the advanced option dialog box pop up. Once we click on the advanced option, go to the editing, okay, editing option. You can see it right here. Just go to the editing option to see the automatically flash fill option checkbox. Okay, now check mark this box right here if it's not checked in your, okay, just make sure that it is checked, okay, and so that the flash fill option will be enabled. Okay, now once we've done that, click on okay. Now we can check the home page, okay, home page menu, then you will see that the flash fill option right there is what is enabled. Okay, let's see how we can use flash fill in Excel with the following example that I have provided here. Okay, you can see, so I have provided some examples here. So let's see how we can use flash fill option on the screen. There are different examples of flash fill. In this example, we will see how we apply flash fill in Excel by following the below step I'm going to show you. Now consider the following example which has a last name, okay, and first name, okay, in two separate columns. Assume if you have held list of names that we need to combine, okay, in one single column. If you go on for typing it right here, it will consume time and there is a chance of getting names mismatched. In this scenario, we can use flash fill option to feed the names automatically. Okay, now first click on the cell C2. It can be any cell on your own case. So in my own case, it's on cell C2 cell. Then I name it flash fill, which I have already named mine here. Okay, then type the last name. So I'm going to type Frank, okay, which is the last name. Okay, now so then the first name, okay, so which I'm going to type the James. Okay, now in the set as shown, which is you can see it on my, I've done that. Now go to the menu. Okay, just go to the home menu right here. You can see at the top of the right corner, after auto sum, you can see, just navigate to the auto sum. You can see the auto, after the auto sum, okay, we can see the fill option. If you place your cursor, okay, on this arrow down, okay, as shown on my screen, now click on the fill option, okay, so that we will get the list of fill lists. Okay, choose the last option, which is what the flash fill. Okay, once we click on it, once we click on the flash fill, we can see the beauty that all the names, okay, all the names will be filled automatically by using them, and we will get the result. Okay, you can see right here, all the names have been filled. Frank James, you can see Frank James. Freeman James, you can see Freeman here. So it is save out a lot of time by filling it manually. Okay, now let's consider another example by combining multiple names, okay, using flash fill. Okay, so I'm using another example here. Okay, here we are going to see how to use flash fill with multiple names and the email ID, which is last name with the last name and the first name and the email ID. Okay, you can see it. Okay, assume that we have the same list with the other names with their email ID, and we need to combine the last name, or let's say we need to combine the first name along with the email ID. Okay, we can type and complete the process, but it will take a very long time if we have a list of 200 names, okay, at a time or more. In this scenario, the flash fill tools will be very useful, where it actually saves more time by filling the data automatically. Let's first see the procedure of doing it by following the below step that I'm going to show you now. The first thing is that first create a new column and type last name. Okay, now with the first name, okay, now or anyhow you want it to be, then put in your email ID. Let us use the first name. Okay, here let's use the first name to create the email ID. Okay, so I'm going to type James. Okay, so the first name is James. Okay, all right, now James at what, let's say at gmail.com. Okay, now let's apply the flash fill. Okay, let's apply the flash fill shortcut key, okay, by holding on the Control then E. Okay, by holding on the Control then E. Okay, so that all the names will get filled automatically, which saves a lot of time in typing that. Also in the, you can see that. So also in the flash fill column. Okay, let's also try it in the flash fill column. Let's combine both the last name, okay, both the last name and the first name to make up the email. Here I'm going to type Frank. Okay, Frank. Okay, Frank James. Okay, I'm going to type Frank James. Okay, let me, okay, Frank James, okay, at gmail.com. Okay, all right. So what's happened? So like I'm going to now to also press Control E. You can see to fill in the remaining column, we save a lot of time. Okay, you can see that all the names have been filled with the last name and the first name. You can see Frank James, Freeman, Jasmine, and Good, Soman. You can see them. So that is the beauty of using flash fill. Okay, now let's look at another example. Okay, let's look at another example by extracting data using flash fill. Okay, here we are going to see how to extract the specific data using flash fill. The flash fill tools can combine multiple names, and it will extract the data that we are exactly looking for. Okay, in the new table here, I have included the employee ID in the table, okay, and I have removed the email ID that I included in my previous table right here. Okay, all right. Now I have the last name, the first name, the employee ID of individual employee. Okay, now we need to extract the first two digits. Okay, first two digits and the last two digits of the employee ID. Good. Next thing to do is that you just create a create a new column, name it flash fill. Okay, now type the first two digits, okay, which is what, 70. Okay, 70. Okay, this is 70, and we put it a slash, okay, and 20. Okay, so once we do that, then apply the flash fill shortcut key, or we can use the flash fill option. Okay, right up here. Okay, you can use the flash fill option right up here. Okay, now, so let me use the shortcut key to fill in the remaining column. Okay, we can see that is it. Now we can see that all data will be filled automatically. Okay, you can see 70, the first two digits of the employee ID is 70, and the last two digits is 20. The first two digits of here is 90, and the last two digits is what? So it automatically fill up the remaining space. Okay, that is it. We can also extract data from sentence using flash fill and do a lot of things with Excel flash fill. Always note that flash fill is a new feature that is available only in Excel 2013 and the latest version. All right, and flash fill is one of the best tools in Excel which fill the data automatically, and it's also called time saver tool. Flash fill will send the data whatever we give and fill the data automatically. All right, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel as I'll keep giving you more Excel function. Bye and stay blessed.